In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a stop loss and take profit on Axiom trade. So the first thing you want to do is create an Axiom Pro account, and there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you will get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever, so make sure you check that out. Now, once you've done this, you actually want to go to perpetuals, because if you want to trade on polls over here, so in the meme coins, I have yet to actually find a way to set either a stop loss or a take profit. I don't think this is available yet on the Axiom Pro trade when you're trying to trade different meme coins. However, what you can do is go to perpetuals over here, and as you can see, for example, at Bitcoin or any other you click on, over here it says TP/SL, which is exactly what we're looking for, so the take profit and stop loss. And if you enable this by clicking on it, you'll see that you can then enter in the take profit price and then the stop loss price, and you can put in the percentages as well. And then after you've added in funds, you can start using the take profit and stop loss functions. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.